Jain Urban. My topic is Agni 5, in which we will discuss key specification or impact or conclusion and some geopolitical relations, political impact. Firstly, we are talking about the Agni 5. Agni 5 is a Indian ballistic missile, internal continental ballistic missile. It is developed by the DRDO, by the India, and a key specification about it. The length of Agni 5 is 17.5 meters, and the radius 1 centimeter, 1 meter, and about launching weight is 15,000 kilogram, and load carrying capacity 1.6 tons. In this, the specific part is that the ballistic Agni 5 can carry nuclear as well as conventional wars. Or the next point is that deterrence to China, the 500 kilometers range, which the major cities of China they come under the Agni 5, and also have it can be launched by the air, sea, and from water, sea and from the air. From the air, Sukhoi 30 and Mirage 200 from the air, and from the sea launched by the INS Arihant, and by the air by normally you can launch by the vehicle and some. The next point is that about it's given geopolitical about it's in comparison to China. China have DF-41, which is have a range of approx 12,000 kilometer, and Russia have RS-18, which have a range of approx 18,000 kilometer, and USA have Maritime third, which have a range of 15,000 kilometer. So in comparison of world level, we have a stand in the fourth position. So now let's discuss about next point in the Agni 5. It strengthens the regional and as well as regional and continental stability, and it helps to boost India's stature on the world level, and also Russia and China, USA looking the nuclear war capability to India, or there is a little bit need changes and more little bit we have challenges in that we have to develop and change in little bit in technology. In conclusion, let's give the strength to the Indian defense. It boosts the Indian defense and as well as Indian stature to the world level. Thank you.